Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Minnie's surprise. One day, Mickey finds a note from Minnie. "Oh boy," says Mickey. The note says, "Follow my instructions for a big surprise. The first thing you need to do is go outside." Outside, Mickey finds a box with another note. That note says, "Look up." Mickey and his friends look up and find a pineapple tree. Pluto wants to pick the pineapples, but he can't climb up the smooth tree trunk. "Oh, Toodles!" Mickey calls. Toodles brings a plunger, a goat, and a honey jar. Pluto uses the plunger to climb the tree. He picks the pineapples and finds another note. This note says, "Find the grass skirts." Goofy finds them and gets one stuck on his head. "Oh, Toodles!" Mickey calls. Mickey chooses the goat. The goat eats the grass skirt. "Look," says Goofy, "another note." The note says, "Open the box." Mickey opens the box and finds flower necklaces. Donald and Goofy like the way the flowers smell. Uh-oh, some bees like the flowers too. Toodles brings the honey jar. The bees stop chasing Donald and Goofy and follow the honey. Then Donald sees a note on Goofy's necklace. The note says, "Use the glove balloon to find a giant M." "Look!" cries Mickey. "Those pineapple trees are in the shape of an M." He lands the glove balloon. "M marks the spot," says Minnie when her friends arrive. "It's a tropical party," says Mickey. "Hot dog! What a great surprise!" Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and check out my Patreon page for some cool rewards. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. We'll see you all next time.